Decrease anxiety and depression. Enhance cognitive awareness. Gain strength and flexibility. Improve your cardiovascular system. All of this and much more is achieved by implementing small amounts of work on a day-to-day basis and can be done at home, at work, even outside. Watch until the end of this video to find out why I believe movement is medicine and how to get strong every day. Picture your perfect workout. Mine would start just before sunrise, and I would have the whole morning to perform yoga flows, Tai Chi, breathing exercises. At the end of my practice, I would have a meditation that would last for an hour and be ready to do the same thing day in and day out. And then life happens. The one thing you can count on is that life will always throw you curveballs. What once was your perfect workout routine eventually won't work due to a variety of reasons. 2020, my back hurts. Kids, gotta go to work. This is why my channel is about learning to adapt a movement perspective when it comes to exercising. That means that you see your fitness journey through a broader lens as opposed to sticking to one type of exercise. Yoga, strength training, dancing, whatever it is. None of these examples are bad, but my point is, within my personal movement practice, you'll notice that I perform exercises from all these different modalities, and I don't choose one specific area. This gives me the ability to be able to exercise or train in a variety of settings. You learn to incorporate movement or exercising when most wouldn't realize they could. Moving into 2021, I want you to realize that there is a great power in doing the simplest of movements. It doesn't have to be pretty. In fact, you'll gain the most benefit from your mind-body connection when first learning a new physical pattern. Now, this can be a deterrent to most people, but it's all about changing your perspective. You need to experience what many in this field call the paradigm shift. I truly want you to be mentally and physically healthy for the rest of your life, and I know you can do it. Remember, it's all done by taking small steps towards your goals every single day. Heal yourself through movement and watch these videos to learn more ways to incorporate exercise or movement into your everyday life. Remember to hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. As always, be kind to one another. Peace.